My mom and my sisters make the whoopie pies, and one day I'm going to do that on my YouTube channel, and I'm going to show you how to make them. They're delicious. So there's red velvet, and then there's pumpkin, and then there's peanut butter. Well, they have changed them a lot, huh? Then you have your chocolate and assorted. I'll have some ice cream cake here. Mint madness. That looks really good. Pies look so good. Fresh strawberries on there. And this cake. Yum. Buttercream frosting. Red velvet cake. And that one's a white cake. The breads look delicious.
Right, too.
Lots of pies. And here's the apple dumplings.
How old?
Old.
This one's probably about 8. That might be 9 or 10. No. 15 years. Yeah.
15 years.
It's about the best years you're going to get out of them.
You are living here since you were born?
Yeah.
The same village.
No, I was. The left one's the lead one.
In Melbourne, how long have you been doing this?
2 years.
2 years?
Yeah.
Wonderful. How many tours do you give a day?
About 5, 6.
5 or 6.
Yeah. If I'm lucky, I get 7.
Do
I
you
don't want to work till 6.
now? Do you do this year round?
Just about.
Just about.
Yeah. I'm not sure if I'll do it in the winter time or not yet.
This morning.
Yeah.
Wasn't too bad.
The co-op itself is pasteurized. I have a son-in-law that milks cows also. He has raw milk, eggs, and cheese, and a few things like that.
And butter.
And butter, yeah.
My mother-in-law used to churn the butter.
Oh, yeah.
She used to love to do that.
My mother did too a couple of times. Yeah, that was fun, but you know. Tired. Yep. So he makes whatever milk he has left over, but doesn't use all of it. He has another guy would take and make cheese out of whatever he has left over.
So in this area, what's the main crops that they grow here?
Alfalfa and corn.
Okay.
Wheat prices were pretty good last year, so you're going to see a little more wheat this year. The cash croppers. Our farmers don't have combines to take their wheat off. Yeah. There's a good many cash croppers around anymore because some guys sell their herds and rent their ground out. Yeah.
Those horses.
Yeah. Once you marry, it's just hard to do. Yeah.
Melvin, did they use a lot of hog manure out here to fertilize?
No, there's not many hogs around here.
No, they're not. What do they use mostly?
liquid manure fertilizer.
Oh, okay.
We run off a 12-volt battery. It comes out only half as much as the line fertilizer.
See, I walk sitting here. I'll show you all these years myself. Hey, cool. Maybe over there.
Whoa, wow. I can eat it, all right. Galloway. Okay, there we go. Get out. Get out.
This one's blood.
This is the Peckway Creek. This goes down to the Susquehanna.
How many colors are left in your
This one, and there's two more below this one. The one's about 10 miles, and the other's about 20 miles.
Somebody they hang their clothes out
I know, I like that.
to dry, smell fresh. Yeah.
They have less than 5.
What kind of siding that is? It's almost like plaster. Stucco? Smooth coat,
If you can tell, it would be better if it wouldn't change too much. Generation after generation change too much and lose everything you have. Right now, we're pretty much some people do. Not smartphones, no. Alright, pull that open. No, well, they used to be out. When they're 16, they can pick which youth they want to be with. Yeah. Which one? Youth. Like group. Young people. Yeah.
So some are more liberal than others?
That's right. Yep, but we're still holding together as one community. Yeah. You go south a little more, there's a little more.
We were going to New York, where one of my friends is, and then we went to Massachusetts. We have family up there. So we just did a quick road trip, you know, it's about 2,000 miles. And it was fun. When we were young, we stayed at hotels and we were going to go wherever and we were going to go back. About a month.
That's your old tradition.
If we want. Yeah.
Yeah, we can eat anything with split root. I'm sure eat anything that we had some of our people. Yeah. Yep, that's maybe we're doing the problem. Yeah. Maybe if you find you're right, it is.
It's wonderful that they have a lot of parking back here, and there's plenty of gift shops to explore, and they have somebody playing music. You can get yourself something to eat. Just a relaxing area to be in.
I missed it at like 7 o'clock. I think they put a ban on it. They didn't do anything terrible.
Yeah, it's probably disrupting.
Yeah.
Never a dull moment.
Other than that, it was
This paddle now, so we're gonna clean it off. We're gonna take it back into the back, and then I'll start using these short hand tools.
You're saying it can take how long to do that?
To make a batch of fudge from start to finish is about an hour-long process. Okay? Now that includes time to cook over in the kettle. It's about 20 minutes to cook fudge. It's about temperature though, it's not about the time. So we will put a thermometer in there once the fudge starts to boil, and we'll watch the thermometer very closely and get it to an exact temperature. Just to kind of recap, this is 25 pounds of our plain chocolate fudge that we're working on. It's already cooked. It was poured out onto this marble table to cool. Marble itself is a nice porous stone. It's also
Slices are about a half
naturally cold.
pound, and
So
they're
it's
about
going to draw the
$7.54
heat out of the candy and cool it down and thicken it up. I spent my first 10 minutes or so after it had cooled a little bit working with a long handle paddle, doing what's called creaming. Creaming fudge
Not the
is
sugar
all
free, but
about
everything else we
blending
do.
and beating
Yep.
and mixing.
He's working
So
I have to say, this is probably the best looking fudge I've ever seen.
Okay, let's go.